Great. So now we can move on, and I have here a couple of 3 new cells which are under the title indexing, and we have an example string that reads, "Hi, I am a string that we're going to be using as an example to learn the concept of indexing." As I said previously, nearly everything in Python has an index or can be called through indexation. And what I mean by this is that, first of all, not everything in Python has an index, but every data structures, such as strings, arrays, lists, data frames, can be subscribed. So like I can extract information from them using indexing. And through indexing, I tell Python exactly what part of it do I want to extract or where to put the cots. And for strings, you have, for each character within the quotation marks, you have a number ranging from 0 to whatever number the string long is, whatever number of characters are in the string. And I can say, if I want the first 3 characters, I can say string example, which is our variable assigned with the string example that I wrote for this example, and I put a bracket because I want to take something from here. And if I put 0 and run this, I get the age. I have to define it first, that's kind of very important. And then I get the age because that's character number 0. If I want to get character number 1, I get the I. But if I want to get the first 3 characters, I can put 0, colon, and then this is very important. When you index in Python, the first value is inclusive and the second value is exclusive. So it's going to include the 0, but if I put 1 here, it's not going to put hi. It's going to just print the age because it's not going to take this one into account. But if I put here 2, which is the comma, it's going to make the code up until the I. So it's going to print the H, the I, but it's not going to include the comma, although the comma is actually number 2. But if I do print number 2 to number 3, I'm going to get only the comma because the first value is inclusive and this one is exclusive. I don't get comma space, I just get comma. And this is how you index basically. Great.